My name is Erik. I live in Little Heist in the northeast polder and run an arable farm growing onions and wheat. Part of my farm is rented out. I rent out land for potatoes and for growing tulip bulbs. This has to do with the fact that I have a part-time job at an agricultural consultancy firm. We farm on sabulous clay soils with a fairly high percentage of humus, which makes it easily workable. I don't really have a preferred brand of tractors. I've been using Case tractors for about 8 years. When I bought a new tractor, there was a special offer from Case to buy a front linkage with power takeoff for a 50% discount. After 3 years, it turned out that my PTO was leaking. It had to be replaced as it could not be repaired. I found out that when the PTO is not in use, the clutch is under continuous load, which greatly increases the chances of wear. I don't use the PTO a great deal, mainly when spraying and for haulm topping when harvesting onions. This is really only a few hours per year. When the system is constantly under load, there is a significant chance that you'll soon end up with the same problem again. That is where the problem started. When I saw the leakage, I immediately went to my dealership the following day. At the moment, I decided to replace it with a Zuidberg PTO because of the quality. Especially my local dealership, who carried out the repairs, was certain the product was of a better quality and would greatly reduce the chances of the same problem occurring again. Zuidberg works the other way round. The clutch is only used when you use the PTO. Because it isn't under load, you can turn it by hand. This wasn't possible with the previous unit. Even in terms of cost, it was an easy decision. If it would be more expensive, I would still do it again because of the quality. I'm now using it for 5 years and without any problems. I think you should always do some decent inquiries, also when you're buying a PTO that might not seem like a big investment. I would certainly advise people to have a good look around, and Zuidberg is a quality product, which I can now say of my own experience.